So the other day, I'm walking down the street. I overheard someone say, all material things are dense light. That means everything is light. Something interesting to think about. Anyway. Chester like a molester, releasing my trigger. Spotless with the cheddar, never a cheater. I'm a lion, not a bitch ass nigga. Bruce Lee flows like the Nile River. Make it happen, channeling a ringleader. Boom bap, lady triller, leaving crumbs behind. SkyBison creeping in your mind. Sound etherics on the 808 grind. Way ahead, you can comprehend. I can understand, I can see through human beings. I'm the brother, y'all my younger siblings. Silly Irving, waterfall abundant when I really need it. When that ass I really need to heal it. Never feeling like I never even feel it. One step at a time, never touch the ground. King of the playground, fuck the underground. I'm up in the sky, looking fly, watching all you haters die. Why try? Nature does it. Why try? Nature does it. Why try? Easy does it. The rhythm of the ether, yin and yang. Heart splatters on the beat. Shoreline getting smeared by the beach. Nomad roaming the streets. 2000 Ranger rotating my wheels. Waking up, rapping in my sheets. Thinking sublime. As long as I can make it rhyme, I'll be fine. Blowing bitches out the pond. Like a trout, shaking, tapping out. Locomotives in my train of thought. That's a fact, without a doubt. Tranquilo man, reciprocating. Stay beyond my line. They think they won in life. Beat them down in Hades. Scorch them in my shrine. I'm not good or bad. Fuck with the divine. Clocking in and out of time. Walking dead. Merging with the meta AI. Watch them die inside. Souls dissolving. Left and right. All around. Fuck that. Clocking out, man. Simulation within a simulation. Remember, never on 4, always out of time. Peace.